Hi, my name's Josh. I'm your AI guide. Today we're talking about something that's already changing the world around you. AI tools that could replace your job and what to do about it. Your job might disappear in the next 2 years. But here's the part no one's talking about. This isn't about being replaced. It's about being prepared. I'm going to show you exactly which jobs AI is targeting first. And more importantly, how to stay ahead of the curve. Look, AI isn't just coming for some jobs, it's coming for any job that's predictable and repetitive. But here's the truth. You won't be replaced by AI. You'll be replaced by someone who uses AI better than you. That's why this video matters. Let's break it down. Let's start with the high-risk jobs. These are roles already being automated right now. Basic copywriting. Tools like Jasper and Copy.ai can write blogs, ads, and emails in seconds. Simple design. Midjourney and Canva AI can turn your idea into a finished graphic in minutes. Data entry. ChatGPT's advanced data analysis handles huge data sets, faster than any spreadsheet wizard. Customer support. AI chatbots are running 24/7, handling thousands of tickets at once. No burnout. Next, the jobs on borrowed time. They're not gone yet, but they're getting close. Junior analysts. Tools like Perplexity AI and Claude can summarize research and analyze data better than most entry-level hires. Video editing. Runway and Pika Labs generate scenes, auto-cut clips, and edit faster than any human. Basic accounting. AI tools now automate bookkeeping, invoicing, even tax prep. Here's the thing. If 80% of your job can be written as a checklist, AI is coming for it. But don't panic. There's a way to flip this. Here's what the smart people are doing right now. And honestly, this is how you make yourself AI-proof. Learn the tools, don't wait. Test them, break them, get familiar. Focus on strategy. Let AI handle the tasks. You bring the direction, build hybrid skills, mix your human creativity with AI speed. Be the bridge. Most people are scared or confused. Help them adapt. That alone makes you valuable. AI isn't replacing humans. It's replacing humans who refuse to adapt. So here's your 3-step action plan. This weekend, try one AI tool in your field, just for an hour. This week, look at your own work. What 20% could AI do better? Be honest, that's your opportunity. This month, learn prompt engineering. It's like learning Excel in the early 2000s. It's that big. The AI revolution is happening. With or without you, choose wisely. This isn't happening to you. It's happening for you. If you know how to ride the wave. Subscribe to InjectFlow. I'll show you which tools to master before your competition even knows they exist.